What's going on, everyone? Jack here from Half Chrome. Today I've got the DJI Mini 2 and been flying quite a bit, and I've come across 5 things that I think could be really helpful in getting a little bit more out of this drone. Stay tuned, I'll give you my 5 little secrets to flying the DJI Mini 2. First thing I got for you are these filters. The filters from the DJI Mavic Mini will fit on your Mini 2. And they're really kind of nice and easy to use. Whether you're looking for circular Polaroids or ND filters, they're really easy to get on. They're just kind of friction mounted on the back. Look at that, you got filters on my Mini 2. And they're the same filters from the Mavic Mini 1. I picked these up from Freewell. There'll be a link in the description down below. The next hint is kind of a 2-for-1, and it both comes from inside this DJI Fly app. Okay, so I'm gonna tap in the upper right-hand corner, click on those 3 dots, and I'm gonna go into the control menu. I'm gonna scroll down on the control menu. I'm gonna make sure that I turn on phone charging. That's gonna make sure that my phone stays charged. That's kind of a big deal to me because, especially if you're flying in the cold, your phone battery will die quicker. And this is a giant remote control with a big battery, so it certainly can charge your phone. The other thing I want to tell you about is in the safety menu. If you scroll down here to advanced safety settings, if you plan on carrying something, now we did a pretty cool shot where we were carrying the Insta360 Go. It's a tiny little 180 camera. It's awesome. But in order to do that or fly with, say, propeller guards, you're going to click on the payload mode there in the menus as well. So 2 quick things inside the menu that you may not have seen before. They can be pretty darn helpful. One more setting inside the menus that you really probably want to activate under control. If you scroll up to allow upward gimbal rotation, then your gimbal can actually look up. So as I scroll upward, I get a full 20 degrees of up tilt. So my gimbal can actually look up. All right, the next thing I'm gonna do is show you how to get your pictures from here to your phone really quick without having to worry about swapping cards or things like that. If you wanna share to social media, you're gonna go ahead and hold this blinking button on the back. You see it turns blue and it flashes blue. And I should get something that pops up on my phone here in a second. And I do. I'm gonna go ahead and click connect. Once I connect, looks like I gotta click again. It's giving me a Wi-Fi password. I click join, or Wi-Fi network, I should say. It's connecting here. Now I can go ahead and view my album. It also tells me my battery percentage, 71%. So now I'm connected to the phone right away. Click on the album. And I can see I have my photos and videos. Okay, so now once I've connected to it, I'm gonna go ahead and click the download button. And I have the option, do I want a full download or do I want a trim download? And I want a trim download. I'm gonna go towards the, let's just go, there we go. I wanna start there. And I just want, yeah, right about there. I click that, I click download. I get to decide, do I want it 1080p or 720? I'm gonna say 720 because if you're gonna share from your phone, social media, text messages, things like that, 720 is probably better, easier and faster. You can see, boom, that downloaded quickly, and now it's already saved to my phone so I can share with my friends and family really quick and easily. All right, last thing I wanna show you is that you can actually use the Mavic Mini original batteries in the Mini 2. Now, a couple of caveats. One, they weren't meant for this drone, so it could be that DJI updates firmware and disallows it. As of right now, still works. The other is this battery is a little bit heavier and it's gonna put you over the 250 gram limit. So that's important to you or that matters, just kind of keep that in mind. Now the drone's still gonna say 249 grams and I'm not so sure that someone's gonna grab it and weigh it there. But if you were to cause some sort of problem or there would be an issue, that that certainly would be a problem for you. So this isn't necessarily something I recommend, but something you could do if you had to or in a pinch. Now, these batteries, the Mini 1 batteries, are, I think, $45, whereas the Mini 2 batteries are $55. And flight tests tell you, you get about the same flight time. It's really not all that different deciding which one you go for, right? You do get the advantage of being under 250 grams with the original battery, but just so that you know you could use the original Mini batteries. Now, it's kind of like round peg in a square hole. This one works, but it doesn't work the other way. You can't use the new batteries in the older drone, right? So you can see it fits right in there, and I can power it up. And we can fly with the old batteries. Again, it's going to put you over 250 grams, and that may mean you're going to have to register it. So just keep that in mind. So we got a little bonus secret for you. You know, it says 249 grams on the side, but this drone is actually 237 grams. You know, what does that mean? Well, it means they probably were trying to fit some extra tech in there and just couldn't. So they have some extra weight. So I'm thinking in the future, we might get some other functionality, perhaps some obstacle avoidance or something like that. But for now, right now, you get a couple extra grams, add something like filters, but those old batteries are still just a little too heavy. Hey, I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, hey, we've got links in the description down below if you want to buy a Mini 2. They are affiliate links, and that's how you can help support this channel. Make sure you check us out on halfchrome.com, where you have everything from FPV to photography. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe.
Subscribe to the channel.
You heard her. Thanks for watching. Good luck and happy flying.